New York, Mayor Bill de Blasio today announced that the city will open a new vaccination site at the Fulton Community Center in Chelsea, Manhattan. The new vaccination site located at 119 9th Avenue, hosted by Hudson Guild and operated by Daybreak Health, will offer more than 200 appointments per day, over 1,000 per week, and will be open 5 days a week, from Tuesday through Saturday. Technology is going to help fuel New York City's recovery, including getting more New Yorkers vaccinated. I thank Google and Hudson Guild for their partnership to open this new site, and I encourage all eligible New Yorkers, especially NYCHA residents, to get vaccinated as soon as possible, said Mayor Bill de Blasio. The site, which opens on Wednesday, April 7th, will prioritize vaccination appointments for nearby NYCHA residents, including residents at the Fulton houses and Chelsea-Elliott houses, with a particular focus on reaching seniors. In partnership with Hudson Guild and NYCHA, the city will conduct outreach to eligible NYCHA residents to help them get the facts about the vaccine, answer questions, and sign them up for appointments. Starting April 12th, eligible New Yorkers will also be able to make an appointment at this location by visiting nyc.gov/vaccinefinder or by calling 877-VAX4-NYC. Additional days and appointments will be available as supply increases citywide. Google, whose NYC headquarters is located down the block from the Fulton houses, is providing the city with support worth over $1 million to help vaccinate vulnerable communities in NYC. This includes $750,000 in advertising grants, to help ensure New Yorkers can easily find where, when and how to get a vaccine. Google is also providing a $330,000 Google.org grant to Hudson Guild to set up a community vaccination center located in the Fulton Houses NYCHA campus serving the Fulton Houses, Chelsea-Elliott houses, and the NYCHA community. Citywide, Google recognizes that equitable population vaccination is a complex problem to solve, and we're committed to doing our part. We are pleased to partner with the Mayor and Hudson Guild to announce a $1 million Google commitment to help vaccinate vulnerable communities in New York. This includes ad grants, to help ensure New Yorkers can easily find where, when and how to get a vaccine, and a Google.org grant to set up a community vaccination center in the Fulton Houses NYCHA campus, said Dr. Karen DeSalvo, Chief Health Officer at Google Health. Since its inception, Hudson Guild has always worked to bridge the gap, reconnecting our neighbors to available resources in the community. The collaboration with Google and the City of New York is no different. We are proud to be able to work alongside these partners to help more people receive their vaccinations, said Ken Jockers, Executive Director of Hudson Guild. Vaccination for residents is my biggest concern at the moment, said Miguel Acevedo, Resident Association President, Fulton Houses. I am grateful that residents will have an opportunity to receive the vaccine in their community through this partnership with the city, Hudson Guild and Google. I worked really close with Ken Jockers and Chelsea elected officials to help bring vaccines to the residents, said Darlene Waters, Resident Association President, Chelsea-Elliott Houses. Google helps out a lot and we are so happy that we can all work together to bring vaccines to our community. I am happy to see the new vaccination site open at the Fulton Senior Center to make it easier for residents of the Fulton houses and Chelsea-Elliott houses get vaccinated. All New Yorkers deserve easy access to the vaccine, and the council will keep pushing for more locations to open to help stop the spread of this virus and make sure our city recovers as quickly as possible, said Speaker Corey Johnson. The opening of a new vaccination site in Chelsea that prioritizes nearby NYCHA residents and focuses on reaching seniors, hosted by Hudson Guild, is great news and is exactly the kind of city and neighborhood partnership that will help keep New Yorkers healthy and protected from COVID-19, said Manhattan Borough President Gail A. Brewer. Additionally, Google's investment in marketing this site will help increase the vaccine site's reach and accessibility. Quote, "We need to do everything we can to help every New Yorker schedule and receive a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as possible. That includes additional outreach to, and prioritization of, NYCHA residents." The new vaccination site at the Fulton Senior Center in Chelsea will help protect thousands of New Yorkers from this deadly virus, including those who live in the Fulton Chelsea-Elliott houses. "I'm appreciative of Hudson Guild, the mayor's office and NYCHA's efforts organizing this new vaccine site here in Manhattan. And for Google's efforts to promote vaccines in New York City," said Senator Brad Hoylman. "I'm happy to hear the city will be providing vaccinations to Elliott, Chelsea and Fulton residents. My team and I have been in communication with the constituents we represent at Elliott, Chelsea, and the need for vaccine access remains great. This initiative will help ensure equity in access to the vaccines. Communities that have been most vulnerable to the COVID-19 pandemic must be the among the first to receive the vaccine. My thanks to the city and our on-the-ground partners at Hudson Guild, who always go above and beyond to serve our Chelsea community," said Senator Robert Jackson. Like, share and subscribe my channel.